welcome back to our channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Shaurya.
And I'm Akriti.
And what are we called?
We are called the PNC Squad.
So Akriti, what are we doing today?
That's my line.
Let's change it today. So what are we doing today?
So today we are going to.
This is so satisfying, Mansi.
So today we're going to do something related to travel, and we all travel a lot and we are planning to travel so much, so we thought we're going to do a travel bag thing today. But this travel kit is only going to include all of our skincare and other body related things which we carry with us. Hair travel kit is gonna be up really soon, so if you guys really want to see it, then comment down below. Let's get started with this one.
What our travel bag looks like. Let's just go through the products that we have in here one by one. Starting from the face, the first product that I have is a face wash. Now I like to carry something which is very handy and something which won't leak. So I have this Himalaya Neem foaming face wash, which actually comes with a pump, so it's very easy and travel friendly. This has neem and it's antibacterial, so it would suit every skin type, hence this is what is in my travel bag. Okay, next up is something which I cannot stay without these days. Now if you've noticed, I am actually suffering from some acne problem on my cheek area, so I like to carry something which is related to that. So I keep this Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution with me. It has worked in reducing my acne spots a lot. I know it's a little on the higher end, but it lasts you like really long because you don't need a lot of product. So something like this is helping in my acne, and it's actually very convenient to travel with because it comes with a dropper sort of a thing, so the leakage part is taken care of. And also because when we travel in different conditions, so you know your skin tends to get a little irritated and you tend to suffer from some acne. So this helps me to tame that. And yep, this is how the bottle looks like.
So we're done with the face wash and moisturizer. The other important thing which I love to carry while on the go is a BB cream. And a BB cream is very important because I do not like putting foundation or compact while traveling, because then my skin is going to get pimples and we travel in all different situations and I cannot keep makeup on throughout the day. So just to even your skin tone a little bit, I use a BB cream, and this one is the Body Shop's all-in-one BB cream, and I've been loving this. It comes in this small pack and I love carrying it around.
If you have skin like hers, then a BB cream works perfectly. But if you get a little puffiness under the eye, or if you're not sleeping while you're traveling, then you might get little dark circles, then you'd need a concealer as well. What I like to do is I do not need an entire foundation or BB cream. I just use a concealer under my eyes. So I carry this one's the NYX Gotcha Covered full coverage concealer. So what I like to do is I dab a little concealer around my eyes or the areas which I want to conceal, and yeah, I'm good to go.
So if you guys really know me, you would know that there is this one thing which I cannot live without, and that's kajal. And we all know that we love using plum kajal. It stays the longest and it's smudge proof, and especially when you're traveling and you travel for long hours and you can't touch up your makeup, so this is the best kajal for that. And you can use this as an eyeliner and as a kajal both, so it's very convenient, so you should get this one.
So when we're traveling, we like to carry lipstick shades which are pretty neutral so that they match with every outfit that we are wearing, and something which is long lasting. So the one that I have is from Chambord. It's their Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick. It's a very mauvey nude, and this is how the shade looks like. The best part about this lipstick is that it's pretty long lasting. It lasts on my lips for about 5 hours, which is extremely amazing because when we are traveling, we don't get time to touch up really. So yeah, this is what I like to travel with.
So if your lips tend to get chapped a little and get very dry, so instead of lipstick you can use a tinted lip balm, and the one I have is from Revlon. It's the Color Burst Balm, and it's very pigmented. So once you use it, it's gonna give you a very nice color, but it's going to be very moisturizing, so you're good to go throughout the day and your lips are gonna stay very hydrated.
And the next most important thing is the entire bath and body thing. So I'm talking about mist, body wash, lotion and all of that. So I actually like to carry this, This is the Forest Essentials Nargis range, and this basically has everything you need. It has a body mist, shower gel, lotion. It also has a scented solid perfume and a body butter. So it's very convenient to carry something which is small and fits in your travel bag. This is very convenient to travel with, and the smell of the entire Nargis range is to die for. If you guys are going through some Forest Essentials store, then please go and sniff the Nargis range. You would absolutely fall in love with it.
So all of this is the stuff which I carry with me. Let's talk about this one first. So this is from Fruitworks, and this is strawberry and kiwi shower gel and the body mist, and this is so cute, like tiny cute package, and this comes together in a set. And this smells absolutely amazing. It's very refreshing, it's very fruity. Like whenever you take bath and then you just put this on and come out, like everybody can smell and everybody else also feels very refreshed. And what's the other stuff? So you guys know that I shave my legs, and before shaving we guys told you that you need to exfoliate your skin. Also when we are traveling and we're going here and there and our skin goes through so much of dirt and I don't know what else, so we do need a body scrub, and this is from Balm. It's called Balm is such a cool name. This is from Balm, and this is the blackcurrant body polish. So you take a generous amount of this, put it over your body and just scrub a little. It's got very tiny grains, so it's very smooth on your body, nothing too harsh, and it smells amazing. Also, if you guys are crazy like us, this is a bath bomb. It's so cute. So we don't have a bathtub at home. I hope you guys have though. And whenever we go to some nice hotel or we're traveling and we stay outside, so we put this bath bomb inside and we just stay and sleep in the bathtub for the longest time.
Okay, next most important thing when I'm traveling, if you know, I think she said this enough, that I carry everything possible, like from makeup wipes to wet wipes to a small comb to a towel, everything possible in my bag. So I got this travel kit from Bare Essentials. Now this has this very tiny hand towel and some cleansing wipes and a small comb plus mirror sort of a thing. So it's very convenient to carry in your handbag just in case you're like running around and all of that. So this is like the basic thing that you should have while you're traveling.
So girls, there's another thing which is very important, and we all have long pretty nails, and whenever we're traveling we tend to chip our nails. It happens a lot with me. I don't know, my nails are very weak or whatever. But then I don't know, but when I don't have anything I start biting my nails and throwing them off, which is like really stupid. I've been doing this since school. So this is why I got this set, and it's from Panache and it's pink. So it's got a pink nail cutter, a filer and a brush sort of a thing, and nail polish remover pads. I also have them now. So this is a very convenient set and you can just get it all together, and it's pink, so there you go. Oh, there is this one thing which is left, and Shaurya likes to sleep with it.
That does not sound good. So when I'm traveling, I don't know if this happens to you as well. It's very difficult for me to get a sound sleep. So I actually got this Forest Essentials Tranquil Sleep, and this is like a mist, and it has a very rosy sandalwood sort of a smell which is very calming. So I like to spritz this on my pillow cover or my neck or even the wrist, so that I can smell this and this can calm me down and put me to sleep, because because the next day if I don't sleep I'll have puffy eyes.
You can just come to me, baby.
Okay, if she's not there, then this.
Okay. High replacement.
So these are all the products in our travel skincare makeup bag, and if you want to buy any of these products, the links to all of them will be mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And what better time to shop when Nykaa is having this amazing sale, and what?
And if you shop for more than 4,000, then you get something super cute. It's this little pouch, leather pouch with like a really cute bow on it. And I'm getting all senti and emotional with this because it's like super cute, and it's like
pink.
Yeah, this is like the best pouch they've ever come out with. I love it. So So these were all the products which were there in our travel kit related to our makeup and of our skin, body, everything. And if you guys want to see something related to our hair or hair care and hair stuff travel kit, then you guys let us know and we're going to shoot that video and come up with that really soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things. Bye guys! What is better?
No hair is better, concealer.
Arvina.
Tell me something really tough.
बस यार.
Oh, so yeah, tell me something. Just one more thing. I tell you one thing.